Swarga Sukh, Indriya Sukh, Gandharva Sukh, many types of Sukh in the Maya Jagat. But Gyan is Divya, transcendental, Lord of Brahman. Brahmanand. So we have Brahmanand, and we have Premanand. The Bhakti Marg, Anand is the goal. Happiness. And Nitya. Jiva Satchiran. Sat Jiva. Sat Bhagavan, Sat Jiva. Only this Maya Jagat and this Sharir is Anitya. So how to get that Anand, how to get that Mukti, how to get that eternal position, it's all because of Vyasadeva and his representative. If you're coming in Gyan Marg, his representative is the Guru from Gyan Marg. So every Guru is representing the Karuna of Vyasadeva and the Karuna of Bhagavan. So this is like we say, this is a day to thank. It's not only a day to worship Guru, because Guru is given diksha. The Guru is given knowledge. He's given me. What does the Guru give? The Guru gives eternal life and eternal happiness. Because this is the gift of Vyasadeva. So, and that gift was coming through the Shruti, and you were the Shrota. You would listen. Now that gift, that Shruti is in the Grant, in the Pushtak, Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam. So we have to study the Bhagavatam. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavat Ittama Shloke. Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki. Bhaktir Bhagavan Bhakti. Bhagavan Bhakti Naishtaki. Nishta. Strong. Steady. Because when you study Shastra, this is Vyasa Puja. All flowers, all Vyasa Puja. Pushpanjali, Swaha, Samdan. Ek saal, ek bar Guru Milan. Ek saal, ek bar Guru Milan. Jai Guruji, Jai Guruji. Lelo, 8 kilo misti. 8 kilo mitai. 1,001 rupees. Ashirvad. Yes, Ashirvad. Very well. Right. Hare Krishna. Om Tat Sat. Om. Jenge. Then Eksalbad. Something. This is something. But it should be Shastra Swadhyaya. Everyone says, I want happiness, I want Anand. Anand, Shanti and Anand. I want Shanti and Anand. Nobody's left. I need it. Well, when you're up here, you gotta do it. Everybody wants Shanti and Anand. And they don't understand. You open the Shastra. You'll get Shanti, you'll get Anand. And you'll get Mukti. There's Mukti, there's Kaivalya Mukti. Or there's Vaikuntha Mukti. So this is a day we should remind ourselves. We're always reminded at every moment. Everyone is Ananda Maya Vyasat. Everyone's looking for happiness. Where's the happiness? Oh, eat this and eat that and see this. Everyone by seeing and by eating and by hearing, Shuniye and Rasana, by seeing, oh, I'm happy. I saw this and I heard this and I ate that. I saw this, I'm happy. Did you see the new movie? Yeah, it's great, I'm so happy. Did you hear this? Hear this latest music? Oh yeah, I'm really happy. Did you eat this? Oh, it's really good. What is this? Trading in rupees when you can deal in crores. Trading in rupees when you can deal in crores. So people are afraid. People are bhayam. This is one of the koshas. Lamentate, vilap, and abhay, piyas, hunger. How do you say bhuk? Hunger, bhuk. Bhuk and thirst, piyas. Piyas, bhuk, vilap, Bhayam. There's 18 coverings of the jiva. Lamenting. Thirst, hunger. Bhayam, fear. So everything gone by mercy of Vyasadeva, studying.